That's pretty cool. The gingerbread cookie baking kit. Hey everybody, welcome to this Christmas episode of Grocery Walk. Today, we're inside a Sprouts grocery store taking a look at all the new seasonal holiday items for Christmas and end of the year festivities. Right at the door entrance, we have some holiday wreaths. These fresh evergreens have pine cones and each one has a big red Christmas bow. Perfect for welcoming guests into your home. And also next to the entrance, we have a grow your own amaryllis kit to grow an indoor plant. And some small pumpkins, either to cook or brighten up the decor in your home. As we make our way deeper into the store, we see some lovely pumpkin pies. They have two varieties here, apple and pumpkin. We decided to take one home because you can never go wrong with pumpkin pie. And it says it's award-winning. Merchandisers and workers honestly don't get enough credit when it comes to setting up these displays. As we continue throughout the video, you'll see more seasonal displays and with similar items bunched up together. For example, here we have various holiday popcorn, maple French toast, and white chocolate marshmallow flavors. And over here we also have some pumpkin spice cookies and some assorted cookies that we ended up taking back to our apartment to try out. And right over here we got Sprouts' annual gingerbread cooking baking kit. They bring these out every holiday season and they're one of the more affordable baking kits compared to big box stores. Now onto some produce. Lots of vibrant colors here. Check out the packaging. Some Donju pears inside. Looks like it's a 4 count inside a paper based tray with a paper band holding it all together. Nice. And over here on this side we have the same type of packaging but with some Cosmic Crisp apples and some organic Granny Smith apples. We are in the persimmon season, folks. We have both Fuyu and Haichiya varieties. Now, for those unaware, persimmons are a pumpkin orange colored fruit on its skin and also on the inside. The shape of them are similar to tomatoes, but with a firmer skin. Persimmons can be eaten fresh right from the tree. When Fuyu persimmons are ripe, they have a flavor profile similar to that of a pear, dates, and brown sugar with hints of cinnamon. So this is a perfect item for that time of the year, whether it's for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Over here we have some more popcorn, this one being a caramel flavor. There's a dark and white chocolate drizzle, and some white cheddar variety popcorn at the bottom of the shelf. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Over here we have traditional apple cider, some milk chocolate and peanut butter covered popcorn, and some holiday brownie mix. And speaking of snacks, right here we have the dark chocolate marzipan, which is a type of holiday candy. The flavor is a combination of rich dark chocolate and sweet almond flavored marzipan. In the See What's Trending section, we have organic eggnog. And we have a peppermint mocha coffee creamer, delicious, and a sugar cookie dough kit. Lots of great holiday items here. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and we'll be uploading more content from here on out. Thanks.